Um, a little while ago, I was watching, believe it or not, Tucker Carlson, and he advertised like this, like all this stuff you watch has got this freaking advertisements, either like by YouTube or by people, but so it was advertising this camera system that like just it connects to any network. It's got like some sort of a SIM card, and then people go and they like snoop, that cameras, and they blame the Chinese, you know, but it's not the Chinese. So if you enable on those cameras, what I usually do with them is I take it and connect it like once and activate some things and then block it on the network, so so you can stream it to actual, like, use it as a streaming device. But these things lately, like they're all like little Python things, like, so they wake up out of sleep, take a snapshot or a little sequence, you know, connect and send it, So if you activate like person detection and stuff like that, so either it's like the things is like too Hong Kong, they don't have the morals like on them, so they basically like use server side to do detection. So they take the video clip and then do detection, and that's how you then get like your alerts or whatever. And it's gonna do it like every single freaking time there's a person there. Never mind if you did what or like activated it or whatever, and it's gonna take your information. So the going thing is like, like you it's simple and you don't need infrastructure. So but it needs power, so you still need to lay like a power wire, or I don't use wires. But in any case, it kills the industry. Nobody cares anymore about having like high quality video feeds, So we survive. So I want to go now, and I did the calculations. It's about 100 and something megabyte. Then I want to get like dependencies and test like my universe theories in like legacy mode, like very legacy old Python. So